It's an island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys. Alright, now you see me there in a raincoat. You know, you see me? Right now, guys, currently we're at a location. This is the first place me and Babes came to fishing when I first arrived in Australia. You see me? Yeah, and today we're here, guys. You see me? We didn't know it was gonna rain like this, but yeah, we'd have to buy a raincoat and all that. So today, guys, here at the same spot. Yeah, man, and here with my brother-in-law as well, two of them as well. You see me? So yeah, guys. So that's them up there. Yeah, so today we're just gonna have a little fishing for probably like 1 or 2 hours, and then head home. You see it.
Are you ready? I'm gonna throw this in.
Here we have wifey, guys.
Hi guys, I'm gonna throw this in.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yeah.
Not that long, but I think it fell.
Clean down there.
Here we go again. Yeah, you'll see there's big fish here too. Can you feel anything? Oh, what's that?
Finally got something. A cork, like a beer bottle cover or something.
Yeah, let's not put that back in the ocean. Here you go, guys. Look at the master magnet fisher right here.
Just trying, huh? Seem clean down here though.
Oh, see the fish? They're wondering what that shiny thing is. This is where you caught your first fish in Australia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big one?
No, yeah, it was. Magnet fishing, guys. Should try it out sometime. Look at this, guys. It was raining and now the rain has stopped. Means that we're gonna catch some fish. All right, well, give me a throw. Ribs, ready, guys? Oh. Oh.
You actually like some fish on it. I tell you. Yeah.
Just looks like the water here is clean, guys.
Yeah, just pure little magnetic rocks.
Just, yeah, magnetic rockies.
Yeah. Clean, clean, clean.
I think you're supposed to tie it around your waist.
Either way, it's just up to you how you want to do it.
Really?
You can either step on the rope, or you can tie it to something.
Dave, come give it a go. My brother's gonna give it a go, guys. Come, Dave.
Got a bite? Ooh, look at those fish.
The thing is this is like you could be here for hours, you know what I mean? And not catch anything or get anything on here. But that's the part and the love of it.
Clean.
Clean.
Yeah.
All right, we'll give it a break and babe will throw in a line.
Yeah. So here we go. Fishing time now. Ooh. It's gone already. Nah.
As soon as Charlie looks at
Shit.
Sure you got it? You missed it.
oh, he took a big bite.
Oh, shoot.
As soon as you look away.
Yeah. I tell you, man. out there again, guys. Fish on, guys. I think it's on. What kind of fish is this?
It's whiting, yes!
Oh, really?
Oh, that's nice to eat.
Woo!
Bring him here.
Is it?
Yeah,
Oh, it's on. Yeah.
it's a whiting, man.
Woo.
That's a nice one to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful fish to eat.
First fish of the day, guys. It's called whitening. Nice, guys. First time catching one of these.
A fishy, this one. Look, fishy. Hi, fishy. Look.
See that whiting?
You see, fishy.
Yeah.
See that
Yummy,
whiting?
yummy.
It's good to
Yummy,
eat and
yummy.
also good for bait if you go out deep.
Yeah.
Live bait.
Okay.
Live bait, put it on the back and
Yeah.
let it swim. Big fish will come
Yeah. That'd be great.
Oh, you live
Ooh.
island.
Big throw.
Sure. Look, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fish is coming. And get the fish? Hmm? Get the fishy? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Go on, rain, rain, go away.
Hey,
Go on, go
Ruben.
away.
You got something?
Rain, 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 go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, go away. You hear, guys? He's singing. Rain, go away. Rain, go away. Good boy. Yay. You hear that? He's singing, guys. Yay. Yay. Island tribe. Wagwan Island tribe. La la. Mama. Papa.
Oh, I think I'm getting a bite.
Yeah.
I think so. Seemed like it a while ago. Alright, guys, so we're at a different location now. And some of you might find this location very familiar. I did a video here, guys, that basically went viral, almost 400,000 views, and it's just because of a woman giving me $15, guys. So yeah, I'm back at this spot again today, you see me? Yeah, so it's low tide right now, so as you guys can see. Yeah, man, and I'm gonna try if we can catch anything here, guys, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, man, let's go. Let's see if it's gonna be another viral hit. I'm using a piece of mullet. Huh? Yeah, it's an active spot, man. Yeah, guys, so using mullet here. See, I can get something bigger on this, and then we use a smaller rod to catch smaller size fish. Yeah, man. So let's see if we'll have any luck here today, guys. Oh, last time I came here, I didn't have to go all the way down here, but it's low tide. Oh, I'm getting a bite, guys. Ooh. Shoot. Yeah. It's action. Yeah. It's just the current strong, so I have to put on a heavier weight. I think I got something, guys. Seemed like it got stuck. I think it got stuck now. Baby, I think I have a small one.
Yeah?
I think I have a small one, babe. Baby.
Yeah?
Maybe. Could be.
Yeah, it's a good one. Look at him again. Thank you.
Nice little one.
Put it in the bucket. Put it in the bucket, don't worry.
Yeah. Woo. Got a brim here, guys.
The prawns, eh?
Maybe
the mullet.
because of Dar's rod. Dar's rod. Oh.
Woo. Here you go, guys.
Ahora que se va la gorda, ve y cagando algo. Esta gordita.
Yeah, the current. Yeah. Fish on. What? Seem like it got away. Got this small brim, guys. Ooh.
What can you grab about the tail? No. Why? It's got hooks, does it? Yeah, it's got hooks.
Flathead.
No, me costé la mano, bro. Open your bag. Which one? Would you rather?
Yeah. Yeah. Got another small one, guys. Brim. Woo. Yeah. Really? Nice. Yeah. Well, it's about time. What? Shit. So close. Shit. Oh, I'm playing around. Oh, got him. Yeah. Got him, guys. Ooh. See? Nice brim. Seems like it's a brim day, guys. Yep. See. Oops. Oh, I'm getting a bite again. Feeling a bite again, guys, as I throw out the line. Oh, another one. Them not feel too big still, guys. Yeah. It's only brim biting. Wish I could see some different type of fish, but yeah, that's all I'm seeing, guys. That's all that's catching. Brim, brim, brim. Oh, there again, guys. Let's see what's happening. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and share it. You understand? Would really appreciate that. Another one, guys. Yeah, I'm biting at this spot. Yeah, guys. Find the brim them today. Woo. Yeah, they're biting here. All right, guys, so this is the end of the fishing for the day, guys. You see me? So I'll go home and scale up them fish here, and I don't know what we are gonna do with them as yet, but yeah, man. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. You see me? Really appreciate it if you reach this far. You see me? And catch me in the next one, guys. You see me? Until next time, it's Island Boy Africa. I'm out.